Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Nigerian buns in a very simple way. Follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you the ingredients that you will need to make it. In here we have 300 grams of plain flour. In here we have 60 grams of melted butter or margarine if you prefer. And here we have 2 eggs. Here's 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. In here we have 4 tablespoons of evaporated milk. Here I have a teaspoonful of baking soda. In here is half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And in here, half a teaspoonful of salt. And we have also vegetable oil for frying and some warm water. I'm going to be using 2 separate bowls for mixing because I will mix the dry ingredients on one and the wet ingredients on the other before I put the 2 together. So here we're going to start with the egg. I'm going to be whisking the egg. Add the butter. Mix it together. Now we'll do the dry ingredients. And in here I put the flour. Now we add our sugar. Baking powder. Nutmeg. And the salt. Just mix that together a little. Now I add the wet to the dry, slowly. Just mix until you're satisfied with the mix. Just fry them until they're lovely and golden, like this. And enjoy your lovely golden Nigerian buns. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and put a like to this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.